Thank you for joining us today for the Decentral Life 2022 earnings update. My name is Ken Tapp, the CEO of Decentral Life, and let me start out by covering our safe harbor. This annual report does contain forward-looking statements, and all statements other than statements of historical fact are forward-looking statements for the purpose of federal and state security laws, including but not limited to any projections of earnings, revenue, or other financial items, any statements of the plans, strategies, and objections of management for future operations, any statements concerning proposed new services, products, or developments, future economic conditions or performance, any statements or belief, and any statements or assumptions underlying any of the foregoing. To review our entire safe harbor, please go to our website at WDLF.ai, in which you can also review this 10-K filing. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with our business, we launched Decentral Life in January of 2013, and we took the company public through a reverse merger in June of 2016 in an effort to expand our business model as a technology business incubator, or a TBI for short. Now, our goal is to become the largest and most valuable market capitalized TBI in the world, and our unique business model makes it easier for individual private and public investors to participate in the growth prospects of each of the companies that participate in our TBI program. Our Technology Business Incubator program provides tech company founders with the option to license our technology from us and receive assistance in growing their business through our executive knowledge and our leadership. We make it easier for startup founders to focus on raising capital, proving their business model, and fostering company growth and expansion. Now, our own IP technology is an artificial intelligence-powered social network and e-commerce platform that leverages blockchain technology to increase the development speed, the user privacy and security, and it incorporates the use of cryptocurrency in the form of NFTs and token securities used throughout the niche social platforms that we license to companies in our TBI program. In August of 2021, we formed a new division that focused entirely on aiding founders with the creation and the development of blockchain technology that can help their companies incorporate the best Web3 business models. The division's first successful project was the development and launching of our WDLF security token in Q3 of 2021. Now, since then, we've launched and licensed decentralized apps that aid companies to launch and manage their own security token offerings, also referred to as STOs. Throughout 2022, we've launched smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. Our goal is to build a decentralized global technology platform through the mining and security token offering of our WDLF token. Now, our WDLF Ethereum tokens, or ERC20s, are mined by users of our technology platform that is licensed by companies in our TBI program. The users spend their time creating content, connecting with other users online, and influencing their own friends and followers on mainstream social media platforms to join the TBI company's technology platform or niche social network marketplaces. Now, as of the first quarter of 2023, the following industry-specific companies participate in and operate in our TBI program: in the hunting, fishing, camping, RV travel, motor racing, racket sports, boating, e-biking, cycling, golfing, cannabis, hemp, space exploration, soccer, transportation, blockchain, AI, and residential real estate sectors. We generate revenue from our TBI participating companies that license our social networking and our e-commerce technology from us, and we charge them 5% of the revenue that is made from our tech platform. Now, additionally, we receive up to 15% of their securities when they reach a liquidity event if they participate in our TBI program. A liquidity event is defined as either going public or having that company acquired, that being through a complete acquisition or potentially a merger. Now, we also develop and license decentralized applications, or sometimes referred to as dApps, built on the Ethereum blockchain that are sold to our clients that do not necessarily participate in our TBI program. Our dApps are licensed to clients annually and differ in pricing due to the customizations, the installation time, the training, and the blockchain-related fees. Now, the revenue generated from our dApps can range from thousands to tens of thousands of US dollars each year per client. We are currently operating and support the ongoing technology development of our platforms used by consumers and companies across 120 countries worldwide. And our directors, executives, and niche industry business advisors support the growth of each of our TBI companies in our program. The management's goal is to increase the potential of each TBI company in reaching a liquidity event, as I mentioned earlier, in the shortest time possible. Now, our company's financial statements have been prepared in accordance with accounting principles generally accepted in the United States of America, also referred to as GAAP accounting. With that said, let me go ahead and cover the results of our operations for the 12-month period that ended December 31st of 2022 and in comparison to 2021 in the same period. Starting with our revenues. For the year ended December 31st, 2022, we did recognize $944,413 in revenue compared to just $292,139 in revenue from the licensing during the year ended December 31st of just 2021. The $652,274,000 increase in revenue is primarily attributed to the sale of our 7 new digital asset platforms and additions of our new TBI client licensees and revenue share from the existing TBI licensees. Our cost of revenue was $48,217 for the year ending December 31st of 2022, and was $22,611 for the year ending December 31st of 2021. The increase is attributed to the higher revenue levels that we experienced in 2022. For our operating expenses, for the year ending December 31st of 2022, we recorded $260,221 in operating expenses compared to $654,128 in operating expenses for the year ending December 31st of 2021. This material decrease of $393,307 is attributed to the reduction in our 2022 expense categories, including a reduction of just $52,681 in compensation expenses and a reduction of $6,782 in sales and marketing expenses, as well as a reduction of $334,444 in general and administrative expenses. Our net profit, as a result of the foregoing, we generated the profit from continuing operations of $727,886 in net income during the year ended December of 2022. And that's compared to a loss of $2,091,687 during the year ended December 31st of 2021. Now, for the year ended December 31st of 2022, we had zero in net loss from discontinued operations compared to $27,700 during the year ended of December 31st, 2021. In short, and as promised, we have delivered to our shareholders a much stronger year in 2022 than we did in 2021. And for those of you who have been familiar with our company for the last few years, you know that we set out in 2020 to clean up all debt on our books and to increase revenue as well as decrease expenses moving forward into a profitable territory. We reached that in the year 2022, and our expectations as we continue in 2023 is to stay on that path, increasing revenue, keeping expenses limited, and also helping the TBI companies in our program reach a liquidity event, which will in turn add to our balance sheet. I would like to thank you for your time today, and please reference our website at WDLF.ai to review our 10K filings, as well as all press releases, past and future. I would also like to thank all of our existing shareholders and welcome our new future shareholders to our company at this pivotal time in our growth. We have spent lots of time over the last 2 years reaching this point, and we're excited about what 2023 has to offer for our shareholders as well as the companies and our clients that participate in our program. We look forward to providing you additional updates on those companies and clients as we enter into Q2 of this year. So please stay tuned for any updates that we post either through video or press releases. Thank you again for your time and your